Plastic Headshot Studios presents The Zombies.
Oh, hey, look, a little bit of chocolate milk. Lucky. Hey, why did you have that hat? Ah! I killed you, I zombie! Oh, that's it! We gotta do something! There's zombies! I saw a zombie!
There's only one thing.
What?
Called a SWAT. Hello, this is Commander Jackson from the Department of Security, and I need the SWAT team over here right now. Okay, got it.
What'd they say?
They said they'll be over here in like 5 minutes.
Alright, let's go set up the defense perimeter. They're here! SWAT team's here! Good, good. Let's go. What's the situation? There's a zombie apocalypse happening. There is already one zombie. He will look like an ordinary person, but he'll be wearing a black hat that has a nuclear radiation sign on it. Keep a lookout for him. Okay, let's go set up a base.
Progress report. Well, Sydney's gone out for supplies, and there's been a fence built around the area. It should slow down the zombies. And Gregory's just finishing up the final touches on the barricade. You should probably go scout. Excellent. Excellent report.
Barricade's done.
But there you are. What happened? The zombie's after me, and he's like,
Run!
Get guys in the tank!
So what are we gonna do?
I don't know.
Ring, 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 ring.
Yellow. Oh. Ooh, that's bad. Yeah. Alright, I tell her. Yeah, bye.
Who's that?
That was your SWAT squad commander. They found Sydney's dead body near town square. She was just returning from gathering supplies. She had a sackload of supplies, and her dead body was covered in blood. Oh. She died a brutal death from the zombies. What are we gonna do now?
Don't know.
Guess I'll go scout.
All right.
Oh no, there they are! Nut shot! Oh, hello. Hey, goodbye. Headshot. Phew. It's tough. I think they're dead. I think that one will bleed out. I want a shot in the legs. Better get back to base. I'm back.
What happened?
Well, I was in a big fight. They came at me before I got very far from the base. I think you heard the shooting. And anyway, I killed one of them. I think it was the first one. The second one I critically wounded, but I think he'll probably bleed out.
Good.
So I think we handled them. Awesome. All right. Won't want to be over soon. I think I'll take our comrade's old gun instead. What are you still alive? I doubt it. Bet he bled out yesterday.